This is the base of voltage divider. The finished product is like this. Now we are going to install the first voltage divider. Fix the first section divider on the base and use the shorter screw to fix the divider. It must be tightened. When mounting the base leg in the steel plate, it should be noted that number 1, 2, 3, 4 should be installed one by one. Then the installation of low voltage arm adapter unit should be installed in the position marked with number 5. The Q9 position of the lower section divider should be aligned with position of the low voltage arm adapter. Now install the upper and lower sections of the divider and tighten them with screws. Now install divider pressure equalizing ring divided into upper ring, lower ring, and the column between the two rings. Then note that the bottom ring with hoses is used to install the pull rod. Note that this position must be upward. The lower ring of the equalizing ring is mounted on the divider bar. The holes are paired. Then the upper ring of the divider and the bottom ring of the equalizing ring are mounted together, and the screw is tightened. Finally, the tension rod of the divider and the cross base leg are installed together, and the screw is tightened. The integrated installation of the divider is completed. Now, let's introduce the peak meter. The effective value displayed on the screen is about 39.5. This is the standard meter to check the accuracy of the peak meter. Below is the introduction of the back panel of the peak meter. They are the terminal of the signal line and the power line outlet and the port of the grounding line. Now look at the connection mode of divider signal line, ground line, and signal acquisition line. The signal line links the low voltage arm adapter unit and voltage divider. Signal acquisition line is a link between low voltage adapter unit and the peak meter. Then there is the grounding line connection. Please see the video for details. The high voltage wire is connected to high voltage device, and the whole system is connected.